Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you've probably been looking for an effective way to whiten your teeth at home. And with so many products out there, it can be hard to figure out which ones actually work and are really worth your time and money, which is why I decided to get into one of the most talked about teeth whitening products out there, snow teeth whitening. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my honest thoughts on snow teeth whitening. I'll cover everything you need to know about this product, including how it works, its pros and cons, the results you can expect, and of course my personal experience using it. And hopefully by the end of this video, you should have a clear idea of whether snow teeth whitening is the right choice for you. And if at any point you decide that you want to give snow a try, you can check out the affiliate link I left for you guys in the description down below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a special discount that you probably won't find directly on their website. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now Snow Teeth Whitening is a company that focuses on offering effective at-home teeth whitening kits, which was actually started in 2017 and has quickly become a top brand in the teeth whitening industry, offering innovative products designed to give professional level results from the comfort of your own home. And their goal is to make teeth whitening accessible and affordable for everyone, including those with sensitive teeth. Now, Snow's teeth whitening process is designed to be simple and user-friendly, and so here's how it works. First, you start by ordering one of Snow's teeth whitening kits, which includes everything you need to get started. The kit comes with a lead mouthpiece, whitening wands, and a teeth shade guide to track your progress, and a whitening serum, which is designed to be gentle on your teeth while effectively removing stains. And so to start the whitening process, you first brush your teeth as you normally would, then you apply the whitening serum to your teeth using the applicator they give you. After that, you put in the lead mouthpiece, which is designed to enhance the effectiveness of the whitening serum, and you can use the mouthpiece for as little as 9 minutes a day, but if you leave it in for longer, you'll most likely see the results quicker. Besides that, throughout the treatment, Snow gives you detailed instructions and customer support to help you get the best possible results. Also, most customers see a difference in their teeth within a few days of consistent use. Okay, so in terms of their plans, pricing, and features, first up we have the Snow Diamond Teeth Whitening Kit, which is priced at $69. This kit includes a lead mouthpiece and 3 diamond whitening serums, and it's designed to whiten teeth up to 8 shades in just 9 minutes a day. After that, there's the Diamond Wireless Teeth Whitening Kit for $99. This wireless kit uses 2 types of light therapy, the blue light for whitening and red light for gum support. It's enamel safe, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. This kit includes a waterproof lead mouthpiece, 1 extra strength whitening serum, 2 regular whitening serums, and a teeth shade guide. Also, with both kits, you can choose between a one-time purchase or the kit plus a free 1-month subscription for the same price for the Confidence Club, which is a service offered by Snow that provides regular supplies of whitening serum and other benefits to maintain your bright smile. Besides that, Snow offers products to help you maintain your bright smile, including whitening toothpaste for $22, a mouthwash for $25, and diamond dissolving whitening strips for around $30, or extra strength whitening serum for about $25, and a lot of other products which you can look up on their website. And one of the standout features is that all of their products have a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty on all of their kits I just mentioned. So if for whatever reason you're not happy with the results, you can return the product for a full refund. And again, if at any point you decide that you want to give Snow a try, you can check out the affiliate link I left for you guys down in the description. Now, while Snow is very effective, there are also some drawbacks just like in any service. So the first thing is it's a bit more expensive compared to some other at-home whitening options, and you also need to commit to using the product daily for the best results, which for some people can be hard to stay consistent. And the lead mouthpiece can be slightly uncomfortable at first, but this usually improves with use. So I mean, I personally don't think any of these things are a big deal, but I still think that you should know about them. Now, in terms of my experience using Snow, I personally started with a Diamond Wireless Teeth Whitening Kit, and I have to say, I've had a great experience right from the start. The ordering process was easy, the kit arrived quickly, and using it was straightforward with clear instructions. All I had to do was brush my teeth, apply the whitening serum, and use the lead mouthpiece, which was comfortable and secure, even letting me multitask. And the convenience was one of the best parts. Using the mouthpiece for about 9 minutes a day it fits easily into my busy schedule. And after just a few times of using it, I noticed a significant improvement to the brightness of my teeth without any sensitivity issues. Also, Snow's remote check-ins gave me feedback right away, making sure I was staying on track. And with their extra products like the whitening toothpaste and mouthwash, it was easy to maintain the results. So wrapping up this review, if you're asking me if I would recommend Snow Teeth Whitening, I absolutely would. Snow offers a convenient, affordable, and highly effective way to achieve a brighter smile from the comfort of your own home. Their range of kits and extra products cater to various needs and budgets, making it easy to find a solution that works best for you. The process is user-friendly, the pricing is reasonable, and the results speak for themselves. And I was especially impressed with the support offered throughout the entire treatment, from the clear instructions to the remote check-ins. So if you're looking for an easy and effective way to whiten your teeth without the need for professional treatments, Snow Teeth Whitening is a great option. Anyway, that's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And again, if you decide that you want to give Snow a try, you can check out the link I left for you guys in the description down below. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.